Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can stop saving Instagram photos and stories to your gallery. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Instagram and click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then select the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you see archiving and downloading. So you want to select that. Then you should see near the bottom, save original photos, and this will also include videos as well. So all you need to do is just make sure that is toggled off, and that will stop photos and videos being saved to your camera roll or gallery. And also with stories as well, you can just toggle that one off too. So that's how you can stop saving Instagram photos and stories to your gallery. Thanks for watching.